Climate change news, bringing you the latest news on the health of our planet. The latest on today's extreme weather events and natural disasters. Visit www.climatechangenews.com. In environmental news, we report on threats to biodiversity. As nations struggle to meet the challenge, our correspondents bring you the latest climate change indicators. Interviews with activists, scientists and world leaders on the evolving climate catastrophe. Exactly what is the COP26 summit? We'll bring you each day's resolutions as these critical talks progress, with in-depth analysis of the effects on our planet of increasing atmospheric CO2 and why we must act now. Climate Change News Network. This year's COP26 conference will gather world leaders to Glasgow to focus on the unfolding global threat of climate change and what must be done to save humanity from its worst effects. In view will be indicators including the problem of retreating sea ice and rising sea levels, vital signs of the health of our planet. The rising global temperatures, pollution, disruption to the biosphere, and increasing numbers of extinctions will inform the debate. World leaders will struggle to reconcile the growth plans for their economies with the imperative to reduce carbon emissions and minimize climate change. Scientists will give evidence. Is it too late? Or will the resolutions and agreements made at COP26 this year set the future pattern for global climate recovery? What will happen if we do nothing? Animal migrations and natural habitats are already shifting as global temperature zones move. How will nations respond when drought, wildfires and desertification inevitably cause human migration? The world is listening, waiting. CCN brings you the full reports and analysis of all the debates and decisions made at COP26. COP26, October 31st to November 12th. We look to our world leaders to define the path towards climate recovery, to save our world from global catastrophe.